Installing a retimer assembly. Pull the SXM GPU board latch outward until it stops. Push down the clips and handle so that they are away from the retimer assembly guide pins. Align the retimer assembly with the 4 guide pins and then attach the retimer assembly to the chassis and slide it down to secure it in place. Pull the SXM GPU board latch inward to connect the SXM GPU board to the retimer assembly. Connect the 4 cold plate pump cables to the retimer assembly. Route the retimer assembly power cable through the cable clip and then connect the power cable to the system board. Route the 8 retimer assembly signal cables through the cable clip and then connect the signal cables to the retimer assembly and the system board. Place the crossbar on top of the radiator. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the crossbar to the chassis. Install the fan cage. Install the front I/O expansion board. Install the network adapter. Install the 2.5-inch drive cage assembly. Install the top cover.